Hey everybody, it's Rex at Harmony Hollow. I came out 10 days ago, and actually it was 2 weeks ago, so 14 days ago, and renewed the pheromone scent inside of 4 swarm traps or attractant boxes at a golf course. We've got 4 of them that were put in like this. They're about 8 to 10 feet off the ground. I've got a telescoping extension ladder that I brought, and of the 4 boxes that I renewed the pheromone on, this box is already, or this location has already caught a swarm earlier in the year. I suspect they probably moved in a day or so after I put the box up. That was at the, I believe, first week in March, or maybe the last week in February. I'm not sure, whatever the Monday closest to the end of February was, or the 1st of March. And we're now in almost the middle of June, and I came out 2 weeks ago, renewed the pheromone, which in these boxes I'm just using lemongrass oil and old comb. And 3 of these 4 boxes that I refreshed the pheromone on have got swarms that have moved in the last, at least in the last 4 or 5 days anyway. I don't know how soon after, but I did get a text from the maintenance supervisor over I guess it was last Thursday, Wednesday or Thursday, saying, hey, we've got activity at 2 boxes. Well, there's activity at 3 boxes. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this down and pull that box down. I don't know if you'll be able to watch me or not. I'm gonna get up there, close the entrance disc, pull it down, and then I can put another box in its place. So this box is going to see a little activity. Oh, that near almost fell, huh? Duh. So this location of this new box is going to see some activity just with the foragers coming back in. They may sit around, they may not, who knows. There's a long line of bees coming in. Holy shit.
The French cleat that's mentioned in the text above is made from a 2x6 that I've cut in half at a 45-degree angle. Part of it is attached to the tree, either screwed in or attached to a board that is strapped to a tree. And then the box has the other half, which nests inside of the mounted half. I only brought 2 replacement empty boxes with me that day. So this one has bees in it that I'm going to take back to the bee yard, and then I'll stop by later in the week and replace the box and hope for another swarm before summer is over.